Hi, my name is Arjun. I'm the founder of Sippin Solutions, Flavor Solutions, and Inoprint Solutions. We are an end-to-end contract manufacturing firm for beverages, and we're here at CMPL today. The best part of being a founder in my industry, at least, is we've been able to innovate a lot of things. We've brought some things to India which weren't earlier available here, like boba tea in a can or a can which you can fill alcohol into. So we're doing a lot of innovative products. I get to be on top of things. I get to learn from my clients' mistakes. So we are able to get a hold of the industry. But above all, it's I think when you start small and then people start recognizing you for your work and they come up to you because of your work, and that really feels good. Well, come with an open mind. If you're looking to start something in beverages, we're more than happy to support you. We have seen their struggles growing a brand earlier on as an FMCG product. So we formulated the entire company around the solutions for all the problems that we faced, and Sippin Solutions. So if you're somebody who's looking to start a beverage brand, do come. So, as the name suggests, contract manufacturing, private labeling is exactly what we do, and it's not fallen any short of our expectations. We did expect people to come in looking exactly for that. What I like is the specificity of this exhibition, because there are other exhibitions out there, but then it's a mix of everything. You've got people who are trying to sell their products, you've got people who are trying to sell machinery, you've got people who are trying to sell packaging. But one thing I like about this place is that anybody who's coming here is coming with the mind to start something. So the leads are already formulated for you, so you don't have to do your background on them.